What's the meaning of bunyip? Bunyip. Bunyip.
Bunyip. Bunyip. Bunyip is a mythical creature in Australian Aboriginal mythology, often depicted as a large, fearsome creature with a mix of animal features such as a bill like a duck, paws like a platypus, and a body like a seal. According to legend, the bunyip lives in swamps, creeks, and billabongs, and is known for its loud, terrifying roar. The origins of the bunyip legend are unclear, but it is believed to have been inspired by encounters with actual animals or spiritual beliefs. Today, the bunyip remains an iconic figure in Australian folklore and popular culture, representing the mystery and wonder of the Australian landscape.